Memory loss is your most difficult problem or challenge during your spiritual awakening journey. If you are going through spiritual awakening journey, most of your old memories or old pathways and patterns created by the mind and ego is dissolved and also getting totally lost. You face difficulty with the little things, remembering little things in life, and you cannot even do the basic functions of life. You face the symptoms of Alzheimer and dementia syndrome, and all these things disrupt the way you function in life. There is no one to help you, and there is no solution externally to heal you and your brain and nervous system from this problem. So, in this video, I will be sharing with you the most important technique or the solution for healing your brain and nervous system and creating new neural pathways for your new life. Especially if you are enlightened and you have lost all your memories of the past, and in the state of samadhi you have spent most of the years, then you cannot function like a normal human being, and you are discarded by the people, society, and friends and family as a patient, or even they abandon you. So you don't need to feel abandoned. You can heal your brain. You can behave like a new person by working on creating your new neural pathways. So instinctive life is the only solution to heal your brain, and I will be teaching you one technique of instinctive life that you can apply in your life immediately and see the results as you do it. So here I introduce the technique to you. First of all, you need to know that our primitive brain till we are alive is always functional. Only thing is that we do not expose our primitive brain to the activities that we do in life. So this activity, here is the mortar and pestle. This is the traditional. It is made of rock and it is the traditional mortar and pestle. This you must have seen maybe in old movies or old documentaries where people in the ancient times used to use this, and this is used to grind things and to pound things like this. So I will be using this to teach you how your brain heals through this activity. When you hold this, your new pathways, your muscles, you can observe when you are using this how your muscles are used. When you touch this, your muscle, there is a certain kind of grip. This grip is useful. And when you do this and you pound and grind something, your brain releases dopamine. It feels that it is a healthy brain. It can do functions of life, and it also gives you the sense of achievement of creating something. So there are so many dimensions of healing the brain involved in this one particular activity. This activity has healed most of my students who have gone through the same problem of memory loss after enlightenment and during their spiritual awakening journey. So I will be creating today mint chutney, that is an Indian dish that you can see. This is the mint leaves. These are the mint leaves, green mint leaves. I will show you one leaf. It looks and appears like this. And here is the coriander leaf. This is the coriander leaf. This is easily available in Indian market. Wherever you are, you will get this in the stores. So this is the coriander leaf. These two are herbs and it is very good for digestion. So I will be using this. Along with this, there is ginger. It is a grounding, and all this chutney, the benefit of this chutney is it improves your digestion, it purifies your blood, and at the same time, it improves your immunity. So ginger is very good for immunity. Then here is garlic. I will be using this, and some chilies that is good for improving your taste buds. Some chilies. And two more ingredients. This is rock salt. It is very good for your digestion. And then is asafoetida powder, that is also known as hing in some of the places. So this is the asafoetida powder. So how to do it? I have already created some chutney. I have cut some green leaves, mint leaves. This is ginger, one garlic and one chili. I'll put some salt and some asafoetida powder and grind it like this. Now see my posture. I have already changed my position and using whole body to do this, and a huge force is required to do this, and the brain finds it a very challenging act yet beneficial. You can pound the ginger like this, chili like this, and all this is improving the muscular function here and also improving the nervous function. So it is very simple yet effective way to heal your brain, and you can add little more mint leaves, also called pudina leaves, and do this function. Wow! As you do it, the smell of the chutney improves your sense organs, the sense of smell also. You can use some water. And like this, you can do. And at the end, you are using all the fingers. All your hand, muscle, body is used in this process, and it is extremely effective. Your brain goes to your original state of primitive life where it was in highly functional state. So this chutney is ready, and when you want to taste it, just have a wow. This is, see, the saliva in the mouth came as I tasted this. This is the benefit. Not only while creating the chutney, you are getting the benefit, at the same time, it is activating the taste buds in your tongue, and the brain is feeling safe. The brain is feeling that you can do this activity. You need at least one activity daily which will tell your brain that you are a healthy person. So this is one of the activities. You start doing it, and not only you can create chutney, you can grind anything that you want to create and get healed soon. So I will be coming up with new techniques in the coming videos. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye. You can put it in the hand like this and enjoy. Bye-bye.